Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank. So as you can see here, I have some amount of received in my PayPal account. Now how I can transfer it to my bank. So I've already did it, but to show you guys, I can show you. So first of all, we have to just go and click on pay and get paid. Go to the bank and cards here, right? And here bank in the cards, you can see in this bank I will receive my money, right? So what we have to do here, we have to just go and link a bank account. So if you just go and click on link a bank account here, right, you have to link it. You have to enter your some of the details depending upon your bank account. And once your bank account has been added, right, let's go to the home here. Once a bank has been added, right, so automatically we will able to receive here. So you can see here this option of request money and everything. So as you can see here, this is how I can just receive directly into my bank account. So it's really easy. You have to just add your bank account, then once they verify your bank account, you will able to receive money in your bank account directly from your PayPal. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.